At the beginning of the video, we can see a small red tractor entering the construction site. A trailer is attached to the tractor, carrying several cement bags and construction materials. The driver carefully moves the vehicle toward the work area. Small plants and greenery around the site create a realistic construction environment. The tractor slowly stops at the designated location. The worker carefully inspects the area, determining where the construction work will begin and where the materials should be unloaded. Several blue plastic or wooden slats are arranged on the ground. These are used to mark the construction area and define the shape and boundaries of the foundation. The worker starts leveling the ground using a shovel. The equipment used at this stage includes a shovel, tractor, and trailer. Ground leveling is one of the most important steps in any construction project. The worker repeatedly digs and smooths the soil. This process removes uneven sections and creates a flat surface for future concrete pouring. The tractor moves forward again. The cement bags inside the trailer are now clearly visible. These materials will later be used to produce concrete. Additional construction materials are brought to the site. We can see bricks, concrete block molds, crushed stone aggregate, and a small concrete mixer machine. Brick transportation begins. A small forklift or loader is used to move the brick packages. This machine is designed to handle and transport heavy materials efficiently. The brick bundles are carefully unloaded. The worker ensures that none of the bricks are damaged. Bricks are one of the most essential materials in construction. Preparation for concrete production begins. A concrete mixer machine is positioned beside the construction area. This machine will combine cement, sand, aggregate, and water to create concrete. The cement bags are placed next to the mixer. The worker prepares to add the materials step by step. The remaining bricks are unloaded one by one from the trailer. A small forklift is used, with its front metal forks carrying the brick load safely. Crushed stone aggregate is delivered to the construction site. Aggregate is an important ingredient that increases the strength and durability of concrete. A small bucket of water is prepared. The correct amount of water is essential for making quality concrete. Too much water can weaken the final mixture. The worker pours crushed stone aggregate into the concrete mixer. The aggregate helps improve the strength and longevity of the concrete. Sand is added next. Sand fills the empty spaces between the aggregate particles and helps create a dense concrete mixture. A cement bag is opened. Cement is the primary binding material in concrete and hardens when mixed with water. The cement is carefully poured into the mixer. The worker performs the task cautiously to avoid wasting materials. Water is added to the mixer. The combination of water, cement, sand, and aggregate will form concrete. The concrete mixer is switched on. The drum begins rotating, blending all the materials evenly. As the mixer continues rotating, the mixture gradually becomes a thick and uniform concrete blend, ideal for construction work. Meanwhile, the worker adjusts the blue form or core molds on another side of the site. These forms are being prepared for the concrete pouring process. The bricks are neatly arranged in rows. Proper organization of materials helps improve efficiency and workflow at the construction site. Once the concrete mixture is ready, it is discharged from the mixer. The worker uses a small container to collect the fresh concrete. The concrete is poured into the prepared molds. This process creates a strong and stable foundation structure. The worker spreads the concrete evenly across the formwork, ensuring that no gaps or empty spaces remain. After pouring, the concrete surface is smoothed and leveled. This finishing step improves the overall quality of the construction. Any excess concrete is removed. This is an important finishing process that helps achieve a clean and professional result. The construction area is inspected once again. The worker checks for any defects or imperfections that may need correction. In the final part of the video, we can see the project gradually taking its completed form. The main materials used include bricks, cement, sand, crushed stone aggregate, water, and concrete. The primary equipment used includes a tractor, trailer, forklift, shovel, bucket, and concrete mixer machine. Through proper planning, quality materials, and the effective use of equipment, this miniature construction project is successfully completed.